Hello everyone. This tutorial is about the characteristics of bacteria. There are probably more bacteria than any other type of organism. A small portion of these bacteria are pathogens, causing communicable diseases. Bacteria are approximately 1,000 of a millimeter in length, and they are prokaryotes, so they have a cell structure that is very different from the eukaryotic organisms that they infect. As you can see, guys, in the picture, they do not have a membrane-bound nucleus or organelles. Bacteria are living cells containing a cytoplasm and a loop of genetic information called DNA that perform all the cell's activities. They also have cell wall, which maintains their shape and prevents bursting, and they sometimes have a flagellum for movement. According to their cell walls, the bacteria are divided into two main categories. The two types of bacteria according to the different cell walls are the gram-positive bacteria, which look purple-blue under the light microscope, and the gram-negative bacteria, which appear red under the microscope. The bacteria can also be classified according to their different shapes, as you guys can see. The first shape is the cocci, which is a ball shape. For example, the pneumococcus. The second shape is the bacilli, which is row shape. For example, the E. coli. The third shape is the spirilla, which is a spiral shape. For example, the spirillum. The last shape is the vibrios. It is a crescent moon shape. For example, the Vibrio cholera.